This tutorial is for updating posted events in Squarespace 7.0. On the left column, click Pages. Next, find your Events page by locating the calendar icon. Click the title of that page. The title for this example page is titled Events. Your title may be different. In the Events page panel, hover over the event and click the three dots. Then, click Settings. The Edit Event panel will open up. Make any desired changes here to your event title, your starting or ending times, or information about the event. If you made changes to your event description, remember to copy and paste the updated information into the Excerpt section under the Options tab. Remember that you can also make changes to the location. Once you're done updating your event, be sure to click Save at the bottom right of the Edit Event panel to show your updates. Thanks for watching, and as always, thanks for choosing 1288 Web Development.